Hi, I'm Emma. I'm a stylist with IKEA ideas. Here's my take on how to hang in awkward spaces. It can be hard to hang pictures in stairs or corners. How do you fill the space? Will everything fit? The first step is to gather your art. A consistent theme is really helpful because everything will look good together no matter where you put it. A mix of different size frames helps too, so you have lots of options to play with. It's a little bit like a puzzle. To solve the puzzle, my secret tool is paper. Put your frame down on some paper, trace around it, and cut it out. You can even number them if you want. I start by putting the biggest pieces in the corner. Then I follow the form of the stairs and work my way up. I really like this method because you can try out the arrangement by taping each template on the wall. Now mark out the drilling or hanging spot for each frame. After you put in each nail, take away the paper and hang the frame. Look, we've solved the puzzle. Now you can conquer your own awkward space.